Top 4 Label Maker Machine with Tape P21 Bluetooth. Discover the best products for your lifestyle. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 4. Nelko 4x6 Bluetooth Thermal Label Printer, Black. The Nelko 4x6 Bluetooth Thermal Label Printer, Black, delivers fast, high-quality printing. No ink or toner needed. Perfect for shipping, inventory, and retail, it connects seamlessly via Bluetooth to smartphones, tablets, and computers. Compared to similar models, it offers superior print clarity, faster speeds, and a compact, durable design. Ideal for home offices, small businesses, or industrial use, it supports a wide range of label sizes and is compatible with major platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and eBay. Easy setup and reliable performance make it a standout choice. Whether in beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, the Nelko printer streamlines labeling with efficiency and precision. Your smart solution for professional-grade labels on demand. Number 3. Phomemo D30 Black on White Label Tape Refill. Upgrade your labeling game with the Phomemo D30 Black on White Label Tape Refill. Crisp, smudge-proof, and built for precision. Unlike flimsy generic tapes, this durable refill delivers sharp text and long-lasting adhesion on any surface. Perfect for organizing home, office, or industrial spaces, it's compatible with popular Phomemo label makers. Navigate seamlessly through departments like beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement using your keyboard's up and down arrows. Whether you're sorting supplies or streamlining workflows, the D30 ensures professional results every time. Trust Phomemo for reliable, high-quality labeling solutions that stand out, because clarity matters. Number 2. KNAON 4x6 Bluetooth Thermal Label Printer. Upgrade your labeling game with the KNAON 4x6 Bluetooth Thermal Label Printer, designed for speed, precision, and seamless connectivity. Unlike similar models, it offers instant Bluetooth pairing, crisp 203 dpi resolution, and compatibility with major platforms including iOS, Android, and Windows. Navigate effortlessly between settings using your keyboard's up and down arrows for a smooth, efficient experience. Ideal for home, office, or retail use, this compact powerhouse prints shipping, barcode, and address labels without ink or toner. Whether you're in beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, the KNAON printer delivers reliability and performance. Choose smarter labeling. Choose KNAON for a hassle-free, professional printing solution that stands out from the rest. Number 1. POLONO PM220S 2-inch Bluetooth Label Maker. The POLONO PM220S 2-inch Bluetooth label maker outshines similar models with its seamless Bluetooth connectivity, crisp 2-inch print width, and user-friendly mobile app. Unlike bulkier competitors, it's compact, portable, and perfect for home, office, or industrial use. Navigate effortlessly. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to move between menu items for quick label customization. Ideal for organizing in beauty and personal care, industrial and scientific, or tools and home improvement, it delivers professional results every time. With reliable performance and intuitive design, the PM220S ensures efficiency without compromise. Say goodbye to messy handwriting and hello to clear, durable labels. Your smart labeling solution is here. Thanks for watching. Check the links in description to find these products on Amazon.